Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. We're looking at this bobcat. It is a wheel machine. This is the inside of it. The lights. Has the bucket on it right now. Okay, so if anyone knows me, they know, excuse me, they know I'm a fan of bobcats. But there's one problem with this. It's not an all-C. So, if you guys want to see an all-C bobcat, I am going to request 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 likes on this video, and I will go buy a bobcat all-C and put it on the channel. Okay, guys, till next time, keep all seeing.